How to add a TikTok to your TikTok story. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. To share a reel as your story from here, go to the right side of the screen and tap on the share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Then tap on Add to Story. On this page, edit the video as you like, and then tap on Add to Story at the bottom. You have now successfully shared this video as your story. Following these steps, you can easily add a TikTok to your TikTok story. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.